How to deactivate your messenger temporarily. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of TechTube. If you want to take a break from your messenger and you want to deactivate your account of messenger, then in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that you need to follow. So if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now there's no way of deactivating your messenger only. You'll firstly need to deactivate your Facebook, and then you can only deactivate your messenger. So we'll need to first deactivate Facebook. To do that, you can open up your Facebook app, tap on the menu on the top right, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings, and then from here you'll have an option called access and control under account. You can just tap on this option and tap on deactivation and deletion. Make sure you tap on the deactivate account option and tap on continue. Type in the password of your Facebook and tap on continue again. Choose a reason of deactivating your Facebook and tap on continue. Scroll down and you'll need to choose the time of reactivating your account. You can also choose to reactivate it automatically, or you can also choose to don't reactivate automatically. So you can choose this depending upon which option you need, and tap on continue. Now lastly, if you scroll down, you will see section of deactivate my account. You can just tap on it and your Facebook will be successfully deactivated. Now once your Facebook has been deactivated, your messenger will still be active. So in order to deactivate your messenger as well, you can now open up your messenger app, tap on the three lines on the top left, and tap on the settings option on the top right. From here you can scroll down and head over to legal and policy under account. Now if you have successfully deactivated your Facebook, you should have an option of deactivate messenger right here. Because I've not deactivated my Facebook, it does not give me that option. But if you have deactivated it, you can just tap on the deactivate messenger option and your messenger also will be deactivated. But the one thing that you need to keep that in mind is that if you don't reactivate your account of Facebook within 30 days of deactivating it, it will be deleted. So make sure that you keep that in mind. And yeah, that's it. That was the process of deactivating your messenger temporarily. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.